What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. It is time for Tesla Tuesday. So today, pretty simple day. We had the CPI numbers come out. The whole day was painted around that narrative. A lot of things went up. They sold back off. And if we're looking at Tesla, here was this sell-off. We didn't really hit a zone on this one. A lot of things like indexes bounced out of a zone and pushed up. But not clearly. Algos bought everything up. We did hit that zone. It did sell off. Now, at the end of the day, I did buy the $1,000 strike for the end of this month as far as calls go. Because overall markets have sold off a lot more than this has, and it's kind of held up. So I do like the idea of that. I was thinking this might be some strength. It's a little bit early to speculate. We can't really talk about bullish or reversal until it gets above this zone. So I'm speculating a little early now. That was the only trade I took today as far as like future play for Tesla was to buy that strike. Earnings is on the 20th, so not this week, but next week. Yeah. And that was my play right now. What I'm in now, I will probably hold through earnings. Not the whole thing, though. At least I'm cutting it in half. I'm hoping there's going to be some kind of earnings hype, earnings run up. We know the delivery numbers, but I also think margin is going to be a little bit higher, and I think a lot of other people are thinking that too. So hopefully there's going to be some kind of a pre-earnings run up, so I can take advantage of that. Anything above that zone is going to be awesome, and that's what I'm looking for now. You know, if it breaks the before CPI numbers, I'm going to go ahead and close it. Because at that point, I'd rather just lock it in, salvage it for whatever's left, and get a cheat. Let the sellers do their thing, and then get a better strike at a cheaper price. Or, you know, like if this were to break down, I'd rather close the $1,000 strike, let it sell off some more, and buy like the $950. Still going to keep it for the same at the end of the month expiration. So it'd be 1 week after earnings that it expires. But other than that, there's not much to break down. If you want to full blown, what I'd be looking at today is today's high and low. Anything above that is bullish. Anything below that is bearish. And I would just keep it simple on that. Hopefully what we're going to start to see is some green candles come in. Maybe tomorrow we get above this. We can see a bull flag start to play out. So at that point, I'd be a little bit more, $1,100 psychological mark. But you know, even if that were to bounce, make a lower high, come back down, bounce out of that zone again. Excuse me. Almost died. The only thing I'd really be worried about sellers showing up is that 1160 zone. That's really where I'm more worried about them. Yeah, like I said, we might see some turbulence here. Really can't breathe. All right. Anyway. How's it feel almost watching me die? They don't edit things. I don't pretend to know what I'm talking about. We just know the subject and go. Alright. So, again, more worried about sellers up here. But that will be a tough mark to get over, so I'll be watching that intraday. But where I expect quite a bit more to show up is that 1160 mark. I think that's going to be the harder one. Above that, we're all-time highs puts us at the 1250 mark. It'd have to have pretty impressive earnings to get us up that far. I think if anything, we get above this, earnings maybe pushes it up. Maybe we hit that 1160, pulls back. Best case scenario makes a higher low here. Then we take a crack at it. But as it sits right now, let's just focus on this week right now. It's short work week. That's what I call it. We're closed. The market's closed on Friday. So only a couple days left. And as it sits right now, bullish above here, bearish below, and I'd keep it that simple. So, if you like Tesla, we're going to start doing this Tesla Tuesday, so just hit the subscribe button, click that little notification bell so you do get notified when I do upload the video, or maybe some other videos on the channel. Let me know in the comments down below, how are you trading Tesla right now? The short-term trend, I guess, is down. More red candles than green. Bigger time frame, more of a bull flag. So, did you catch the knife today? You're going to try to catch this knife at this alert. How you doing it? Let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video.